Bumpity bum, bum 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 bumpity bum. Magnaflow into his house. We got the Warren Elite bumper and the Warren Xeon 12S. These were and always will be the very first mods on the Jeep Gladiator, but here we have a rock crawler Magnaflow system. Super excited. Let's dive in.
Well, why don't we just dive in and get her all installed and rev her up and pin her and just shoot her to the moon.
After traveling the better part of last year out of a full-size diesel, I decided to take on the challenge of building my own ultimate adventure vehicle. A rig I can live comfortably out of full-time, hit some sweet jumps, and crawl big rocks. Brought to you in part by Warren Industries, Icon Vehicle Dynamics, Hellwig Products, Nitto Tire, Max Trax, Magnaflow, Dometic, Nichols Auto Fab, Pack Racks, Nitro Gear and Axle, Max Oak, 6-7 Designs, and coming soon, a home on wheels to make it the first ever Mars expedition vehicle.
Well, hey everybody! We're hanging out with our new friend, the Magnaflow Rock Crawler Off-Road Exhaust CSDM. At first, I was a little skeptical about putting exhaust on the Jeep. I mean, come on, she's no V8 stroker, right? But then I looked up some sound clips of the Magnaflow exhaust, and I was like, "Ooh, dang! I gotta put it on there." Plus, we're hoping for some increased power, of course, fun sound, and maybe even some miles per gallon. It's all gonna help out in the long run when we're hauling around our home on wheels. We'll do some before and after sound clips. We'll do it all. We'll get it on, and then we'll mob it. Okay, enough of that crap. Let's get your wrench in. So you're gonna want a 13mm socket, and 15mm socket, and maybe even another just shorter and deep socket. Oh, extension just in case. Ratchet. First thing is we gotta lower the spare tire down. I've seen people try to do it without doing that, and they ended up doing it. So just lower it. I'm just gonna lower it. Alright, so this is our first exhaust clamp bolt. We're gonna undo that bolt. We're gonna keep this clamp, so we'll use that. Then down here, we're gonna just remove the exhaust hangers completely. We're just gonna unbolt them. From what I've heard, that's gonna be a lot easier. So there's about 3 of these, I believe. So we'll just get to unbolting these. We've already got one bolt out. Work on your own rig, they said. It'd be fun, they said. No, I'm just kidding. It is really fun, and it's really satisfying to, in the end, be like, cool, I did that. To be honest, this is pretty nice compared to the bumper. Not that the bumper was a hard install, but I can just lie down right here. Who needs a creeper? Nah, when you're already a creeper. Oh, that's terrible. Edit, cut. Should save some weight on this exhaust as well, but that's the last hanger. Once we do that, it should all wiggle on out of there. Should just drop out and pull forward. I'd like to kind of keep the exhaust intact. I mean, you could just cut it out. It might be easier. We're gonna get you out of there, little dangly. Alrighty, well, screw it. I'm cutting this off. It's out. Now let's weigh this crap. So we'll throw the Magnaflow exhaust box on the scale, weigh that, take only the exhaust out of there, leave the box and packaging, and throw in the stock exhaust in that box so we can get an accurate weight. Let's get this on there. It's just a home scale too, you guys. It's not super duper accurate or anything, but right there you can see it's right about 40 pounds. Now let's throw, oh my gosh, this is gonna be way heavier. 40, so my prediction is this will be 70, maybe 55 pounds, all right? That's my prediction, 55, not too much. 50, so we saved 10 pounds, folks. It's official, 10-pound weight savings with the Magnaflow rock crawler exhaust. That's awesome. All right, so again, that's the stock system, big old muffler. This is the Magnaflow system, one muffler and just pipes. So, I mean, the difference is pretty clear when you just pull the stocker and compare them. This is far superior. This should be way easier to install than reinstalling the stock system. Mainly because it's in 3 pieces, and well, we had to cut that to get it in 2 pieces. All right, so I've got the muffler sitting on here. This isn't super tight, but it's tightened up enough to keep it there. Got the bubble wrap on. Just keep it all nice and pretty till I'm ready to roll. Now we'll put the mid pipe in and start getting the hangers installed again. I forget where they go, but I'll figure it out. Well, we got this system all installed. So now we just gotta tighten the clamps front to rear and give her some revs, man. Fire this bad boy up. All right, this is our before sound clip, bone stock. Weird. I didn't know it limited revs to 3,000 RPM. That was annoying. Wanted to really wrap it out for you guys and get it up to revved line like. All right, so this is from the inside of the vehicle now. Let's give her a start up. Turn the AC off. It's all installed. All right, I'm gonna show you my reaction first and we'll start her up. All right, here we go. Not a lot different from in the car, which is nice. We don't want this to be too loud. It's not too loud. I'm excited. Let's hear it revved. Oh, but from outside. Now again, that's only at 3,000 RPM because this whole rev limiter thing. Cool. Well, I'm stoked. I think it sounds amazing, and overall, I'm super happy that it's not too loud. I definitely want to get some good, tones and sound out of this thing. It will be a lot louder when we install the intake and this engine can breathe. So I'm excited. Let's install the intake and then see how she sounds. We got the hood pop today because we're gonna install the new SMB cold air intake. Oh yeah! So I'm gonna give you guys one last sound clip with the stock intake. Here we go. Bing, bada, boom. All right, under the hood sound clip. Smells so good. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. If you are interested in any Down to Mob shirts or swag like that, check out downtomob.com in the shop area. You can find them there. Make sure you leave a comment and be subscribed so you don't miss any of this fun stuff. I appreciate you watching. I'm stoked to be building this Gladiator this year. So I want you along for the ride. The only question is, are you down to mob this Jeep Gladiator with me and build it into the ultimate adventure vehicle ever? That was long. Oh, jeez. Don't redo it. Bye. Ah!